Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 1 together. We're given the first 3 terms of an arithmetic progression, and we need to find x and then the common difference. The key idea is this. In an arithmetic progression, the gap between one term and the next is always the same. That gap is called the common difference. So the second term minus the first equals the third term minus the second. Let's write that out. 2x minus the quantity 8 minus x equals 3x plus 2 minus 2x. Simplify each side. On the left, minus the bracket flips the signs. 2x minus 8 plus x gives 3x minus 8. On the right, 3x minus 2x is just x, so we have x plus 2. Now collect like terms. Take x from both sides and add 8 to both sides. 3x minus x is 2x, and that equals 10. Divide both sides by 2, and we find x equals 5. Now substitute x equals 5 back into the terms. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 times 5 is 10. And 3 times 5 plus 2 is 17. So the 3 terms are 3, 10, and 17. The common difference is simply the second term minus the first. 10 minus 3 is 7. And you can check. 17 minus 10 is also 7. Lovely. So our answer is x equals 5, and the common difference is 7. Well done. That's question 1 complete.